Can't wait to get started. It's been a long wait, and obviously coming back into the picture here with Wales, nearly a year since my last game. So, like you say, it's good to get a few games under my belt at Premiership level now, and then look to kick on here. March the 30th since I did my knee, and it's obviously been a long road back. But you set your targets of when you want to get back, and obviously this is the first international of that realistic target. So it's what I've been working towards, and it's a big fixture, we all know that. We've given ourselves a great platform really in this group, and so have Israel, I suppose, so that's why it's such a big game, because the two of us have started so well. So it's what comes with it, I suppose. With success you've got the pressure of the big games, and this is one of those. There's a great feel around the place. I felt it when I came here for a week's rehab during my time through my injury as well, and that was good to be around the lads there. I think it's before the Belgium game, so that was an important time in my rehab, and you feel the buzz around the place, and the lads just looking forward to the game on Saturday. There's a strong bond there, and it's just, for me, it's an exciting time to get back involved in qualifying games. We've got a lot of experience in the side now. Since I've been involved anyway, obviously lads are picking up a lot more caps and a lot more experience, so that's a massive thing for us. And lads are playing in these atmospheres week in, week out at club level now, so we all know how to deal with that really.